This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Suzanne Roscher. Looking to live with a beautiful view of the 10th hole at Cypress Point? Beautiful all-brick home and well-maintained. Wood flooring, updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, water heater 2012, 30-year roof replaced around 2007, windows replaced 2012, garage door 2015, new oil 2019 for in-ground sprinkler system. Wonderful outdoor area with pergola for entertain and enjoying golf view, large backyard, 4th bedroom has been coveted to a movie/media room, office/flex room. What a wonderful place to call home. For more information, review the details below.